YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a quick fix on Pentair's Kreepy Krauly Kruiser. We are going to show you guys how to actually get inside the cleaner and get access to the flapper as well as the lid and lock assembly. Stay tuned, we're going to dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again today for our quick fix video, we actually want to show you guys how to take out the internals of the Kreepy Krauly Kruiser and get access to the actual flap. Show you guys how to take it off, replace it, as well as the lid and lock assembly to the actual internal parts here. So if you guys want to know how to take the internal parts out, make sure you guys just check the link in our description. We've got a quick video for you guys to show you guys how to actually pull this full piece out. But once you have it removed, the next step that you're going to look for is right here on the top. It actually has a little latch here that will tell you up for open. So you're just going to go ahead and slide that up. And once you lift that up, you can actually grab the tabs here on the sides and just lift. And then out comes the full lid and lock assembly. So that's what they're going to call this part. So this is just going to make sure that the internal diaphragm is sealed and stuck so that as it's vibrating from the suction, it's actually in its own diaphragm. So it needs to be right here in this center piece. So if this is broken, you cannot operate the cleaner without this. So you do need to make sure that this is locked onto this actual body. So once you remove that, then you actually have access here into the flap. So this flap is just like a normal diaphragm and some of the other manufacturers' cleaners that will actually vibrate back and forth. So as the suction's coming in, this is just going to vibrate, which causes the agitation for the cleaner to agitate across the bottom floor, causing it to suck up all the debris. So over time, you do need to replace this. It is just a rubber, so it will see a lot of wear and tear from your chemical composition and definitely from use, especially since it's just in here rocking back and forth. So it is important to make sure you guys change this every season or two just to make sure that the cleaner is actually doing what it needs to. So to remove your old one, it's really simple. I just lift up. I'll kind of lock my finger under the back part of the frame here and you just pull it. So it's just a pressure fit. When you actually push it in, you guys can see here it just has a metal frame that comes across. So that stays. You guys never take that off. So the only thing that you're going to remove is actually this piece. But when you get your new one, it is important that you guys make sure you put it in correctly. So one big thing that Pentair did on this is, I know you guys can't really see it, but on the top of the actual diaphragm here, it'll say top and it'll say bottom. So it is important because as you guys can see, different shapes, which is going to allow it to make that rocking motion back and forth. So when you do insert it, you do need to make sure that the top is facing you, and all you're going to do is line it up. And just like you took it off, you're just going to pressure fit it in until you hear that nice little clicking noise. And then you're good to go. Make sure you lift it up and down a few times. Maybe shake it just to make sure that you got it fully locked on there. And then you're just going to slide it back down. Grab your lid and lock assembly again. It does have a little tab here on top that kind of tucks the top portion over. So you do want to do that. And then it's just going to slide back in. And always make sure that you lock it. And then you're good to go. You're just going to insert this back into the cleaner. Get it tightened back up and put it back in your pool to start the cleaning process. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys hit that like and be sure to subscribe. We got a ton of videos coming your way on cleaners, what's in the bags, what's in the box, installation videos. We've got a ton of stuff coming your way. So be sure to hit that bell to make sure you guys get all of those updates and stay up to date with us. So I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.